Yes, now everything turned bullish. Nifty broken the short-term resistance of 18,400. The Nifty has been in this zone for several days, and now the resistance of 18,400 is getting broken. Now everything looking bullish. Even a small novice trader can understand by simply looking at the chart. The trend is bullish, so there is no point in going short in Nifty. Uh, and what I told in the previous analysis video, let's just move on to 15 minutes. Yes. Okay. What I told in the previous analysis video, that is on what to do on day uh, 26th May. What I told that if 18,400 is getting broken on the upside, then can be look for long entries. So after breaking, we all know after breaking 18,400, market rallied in the beginning itself, but faced resistance near 18,400 a little bit and broken the level and continues it rally till 18,500 zone. So overall trend is bullish. Now let's just understand or analyze what we will do for the next day. Okay, yeah. I have marked two levels, that is 18,600 and the level of uh, the previous level of 18,400. I will be considered 18,400 and 18,600 as a important support or resistance at this point of time. So what I am going to do in Nifty, if 18,600, first plan is to, if market is bullish and if 18,600 is getting broken on the upside, then I will be looking for long and in Nifty. So that is the first trade plan for Nifty. The level once again 18,600. If 18,600 is getting broken on the upside, then can be look for long entries. Why I am saying that? Because when just 1 hour time frame, yes, 18,600 is an important support or resistance zone acted previously. While we analyzing the previous charts, that's November to December, these time period, 18,600 has been acted as an important support or resistance. So here we can see that after the breakout, the 18,600 is getting retested, and again the level 18,600 have a greater importance. So that's why I marked 18,600 as a resistance zone. So now the 18,600 will be a hurdle for the Nifty. So that's why I mark 18,600 zone. So the first plan would be, if 18,600 is getting broken on the upside, and can be look for long entries. And the second plan, obviously, I have marked the second level, that is 18,400, that can be acted as a support zone, because the breakout, and I'm expecting a retest. If the retest is happening over 18,400, then uh, that chance can be considered for long entries in Nifty. That is what my plan for Nifty. Just to go long near 18,400 on the retest of the chart, recent retest of the level, and another plan is to just to go long above 18,600. So these are the both plans for, sorry, the plan for Nifty. Now let's move on to Bank Nifty. What it's saying that, yes, daily chart. Yeah, this kind of similar pattern we can see in Nifty. Here, moving to daily chart, yes, similar pattern in Nifty. But what in Bank Nifty happened? Bank Nifty didn't yet break the level, that consolidation level of 44,000 or all-time high is doesn't broken it. So that is the main difference between Nifty and Bank Nifty chart. While I'm looking at the chart, we can see a consolidation is happening and the bullish candle is also forming, but 18,000 or the all-time high is doesn't broken, which can be acted as a strong resistance. So Bank Nifty is still below the resistance. So the coming days, the chance of getting broken of all-time high is higher because market is bullish. So it can be broken at any time, maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. We don't know that. But Nifty already broken the level. So that's why I marked the level of 18,400 for getting or taking entries. But Bank Nifty doesn't break the level of all-time high. So let's move on to 50-minute. What it says is, in 50-minute we can see that Bank Nifty is in a range of around 43,400 and 44,100. This big range, Bank Nifty is consolidated, and now Bank Nifty is near the resistance of the all-time high or the 44,100. I have marked 44,100 for taking tomorrow's entry. So if 44,100 is getting broken on the upside, then I will be look for long entries in Bank Nifty. That will be the high probable rate because Bank Nifty breaking here. Bank Nifty is giving two signals. That is, first one is Bank Nifty breaking the resistance, and the second one is Bank Nifty is breaking the all-time high. So uh, that can be a high probable trade. So what I plan for tomorrow is to just to go long above 44,100. That is the only plan for Bank Nifty I'm planning to do. So Nifty, the both chances are there. The retest over 18,400 and the breaking of 18,600. So that's what my plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And one more thing is that I have just checked Tata Motors chart. Yeah. I have just analyzed the Tata Motors chart on the previous day. What I can observe is that I will show that. Sorry, it's not Tata Motors, Tata Power. Yeah, Tata Power. So I have marked the level. Let's just move on to monthly chart. What it says. Yes, we can see Tata Motors is now at an important zone. Why I am saying that, I will explain. Here we can see Tata Motors is having a long-term consolidation. A type of long-term consolidation happened over there, and after this consolidation, Tata Motors broken this level of around 18,000, 80 level, 80, 100 level. Tata Power break the level, and the Tata Power rallied till 240 or 250 zone, and now the pattern, a consolidation pattern is forming in Tata Power. Usually what it happen is that after a long continuous uptrend, the stock may stick on to a smaller range. That is what happening in Tata Motors. Also we can set it as a flag type pattern. So that's why what my observation are, Tata Motors is having a flag type pattern happening in Tata Motors. So specifically a bullish flag pattern is happening. So what it will happen after the trend, uh, the bullish flag formed and the flag getting broken, that is the entry point of Tata Motors. So that is why I analyzed or I mentioned Tata Power. Yes, now let's move on to the smaller time frame. What it says, we can see in smaller time frame, that is the weekly chart, the Tata Motors is being in a support zone, or doesn't move further. It just consolidated over 200 zone for several times, and now what happens is that, just look, after the break of 200 zone, the market got reversed and the breakout got failed here. So there is the first confirmation of the continuation or the trend, not continuation, the trend reversal in Tata Motors, sorry, Tata Power. Yes, the here the uh, breakout or breakdown on the downside getting invalidated over this candle, and now Tata Power is near the resistance of 212 or 250 as 250 zone. So that is the resistance for Tata Power. Market have been in the range for several days or week. So this is a zone I have marked 215 as the resistance. So what my plan in Tata Power is that what I am planning to do is that the first confirmation I have already told that the monthly chart is bullish and the bullish flag pattern has also formed, and the daily chart. Uh, when we closely observe, we can see a kind of what pattern is this? Yes, a kind of inverted head and shoulder is also happening in Tata Power. So there has been several criteria to go long in Tata Power. That's what my observation are. If 250 is getting broken on the upside, then I will be happy to go long or intended to buy Tata Power for a short term period. Also, if it's directly broken, then I will be put stop loss somewhere around 204 or 200 level. It depends. I don't know that where I put stop loss. So I will consider during the market hours for several criteria may match. I will put the stop loss. So the Tata Power is bullish. So that's why I mentioned Tata Power. If 250 60 level is getting broken and the close, if it is close, you can take entry where if it close or not, it's your choice. But the stock is bullish. If 260 is getting 50 is getting broken, then uh, the chance of rally or Tata Power is high. So that's all for tomorrow. So sorry, that's all for today. Let's just see tomorrow. Yes, thank you.